Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have HUAWEI Mate 20X and I want to show you how to manage your Google passwords on this device. To manage it, open Google Chrome application, tap on three dots on the right corner and there choose settings. In it we must choose passwords manager and there we have passwords which our smartphone remember. We can click there. In it we can copy our email, copy our passwords, or after we press this copy our site from this password is username and passwords using this first icon, or after we press on this icon our smartphone show us password which remember. You can also delete it by tap on delete and we delete our password for our device. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.